watch out that you don't run over the kids.
You tobogganer? You like a toboggan?
I like to toboggan. Okay, let's go over
the
these.
types.
Yeah. Okay. GT Racer was like I think the
Oh.
coolest one when we were growing up.
I mean, my family didn't have one of those, so
Me neither.
we were jealous
You gotta
for
be.
sure.
You gotta be rich.
Yeah, you gotta have that money
Yeah.
to get.
There's like 2 prongs and like it's intricate.
Yeah.
We had the saucers for the most part.
Oh, the saucers are good. I actually
I think
once
they're
used
good.
our computer mat, a plastic one, and it broke on the way down. It shattered into pieces.
Oh.
And
What
then
is a computer mat?
It's like the plastic
Oh,
thing,
my
so it doesn't
lord.
roll on your wooden floor.
Oh.
I used that.
Well, that if you're trying to roll down a hill on some snow, yeah.
I thought it would be like the magic carpet effect, but it was not.
The engineers.
No.
You have to listen to them.
What's the difference between a sled and a toboggan?
Oh, a toboggan. Toboggan is a verb, I think.
What?
And sled is a noun. We're going tobogganing.
What?
But
Oh,
then
you're
they
on the
say
toboggan.
But then they say bring your toboggan.
Wait.
So I don't know.
Okay,
Okay.
I googled it.
Okay.
Toboggan is a long sled without runners. What's a runner?
Oh, I think the runners are
With the front curled upwards. The more you know.
Wow.
Tell me about this sled.
This sled is old school. I thought it would look good. Obviously it does. And yeah, it's going to my grandma. So I think it's got to be traditional.
Is she an avid
She loves
sledder?
tradition.
She loves tradition
Yeah,
and sleds.
and she loves sleds.